or welcome back. I just ran 3 miles and I am very out of shape. As a college student, I really struggle with time management throughout the school year, which is why I slowly start drifting away from the things that I love. Running, baking, arts and crafts like sewing, gardening. Oh, and also content creation, interning full-time, and helping out with my family business, and simply working on some things behind the scenes. I get pretty overwhelmed and just want to stop doom scrolling. We're going to find other ways to come back to the things that I love. I don't know who's watching this, but if you are, I'm so grateful you're here, and I really hope you watch till the end. Enjoy.
Hello, and we are back, but in my kitchen. Something I love doing is baking. Today we're going to try something very different and maybe weird to some. You all see these very, very, very ripe and kind of old mangoes. So the idea I had was mango muffins. It's an actual thing. So we're going to make it. I have to put the apron on. Love the outfit I'm wearing, and I don't want to change, so. It's 90 degrees in Iowa right now. There's a heat advisory going on. All right, let's get started. Here they are. It smells so much like mangoes. I'm not kidding you right now. Finished product. Smell really good, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna try them until later because they're still pretty hot and I'm not that hungry right now. They smell amazing. It is a couple days later and I have to get my seeds planted before the summer goes by. I bought these seeds a couple weeks ago. Right here I have my little bamboo. Yeah, she was kind of dying for a while, but she's still alive. I've had this plant for over a year now. Seeing my bamboo plant kind of grow makes me so happy. Also, you are currently sitting on one of my other plants. You guys are currently standing on my almost died plant. So, let's do it. It's the same day. Wasn't originally going to make this today. I'm currently making a little birthday gift for my mom. She loves chickens. I was like, why not make something chicken related? I've been working on this little chicken pouch. You can see how ugly my hand stitches are, but I'm gonna sew this lace detailing on the bottom. A perfect little carry pouch for a camera. I did get one little needle poked under my nail. Got that done under an hour. Boom. I'm currently at a local coffee shop / boutique. It's about half an hour from my house. I have a project I'm working on and we're gonna advance on that today. So let me show you my outfit. Do you guys have brown sugar shaken espressos? Yeah, we can do that. Could I have one of those? A small. Thank you. back at home. Just wanted to show you guys that I was doing my nails. I do like press-on gel nails, so I've just been meaning to do them because it's been a while, and like look how crusty my fingers look. Like don't look at my fingers. Let me show you my outfit real quick. This is my outfit. I don't know if I'm gonna close out the video here so I can start editing it. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.